Dovizioso, and look where he is.
Sorry, Simon, we're going to have to cut in. We have to cut in. Dovizioso, Lorenzo, and Pedrosa are all
fast. Is this where he's Van der Veen?
This is De Bolt, isn't it? Turn 9, and then it's just
De Bolt. Yeah. Yes. He dangled a carrot in front of his teammate Jorge Lorenzo. Oh, Lorenzo's down. Jorge Lorenzo's clashed out of second place. What a blunder. And the Ducati 1-2.
Lorenzo, has he done enough? Marquez up to second. In fact, he goes into the front of Lorenzo's gone down. And turn 1.
He's high side in the first corner. What? Turn 3. Oh dear. Oh dear. Right foot as well.
Me.
Wow.
Taps it in.
That's right over the top.
Proper high side. Tell you what, you break your wrist. Straight line. Front's going
to the corner.
Yeah,
it was well into. Yeah, that's
just the front.
Yards he needs to find it pretty soon because his 12th hole. Lorenzo's down. Jorge Lorenzo's gone down to the Michelin corner. He's livid. He's furious. It cost him his drive. It cost him his momentum.
Oh, Lorenzo! He's wiped them all out! How has this happened? They're all down. There's 4 of them down.
Rossi's down. Vinales is down inside of Vinales. Loses the front. Clatters the Dovizioso. Nowhere for Vinales to go. And as Lorenzo's Honda trundles through the optimal, the slip road.
Chilometri orari per l'anteriore lì, ecco. Questa quella soprattutto proprio forte.